Hi guys, it's Sue from Cyprus Insight, and today I'm in Larnaca and we're going to visit the Smoothie Factory, which is attached to the Mercure Hotel. So we are one row back from the beach. I'm with the lovely Fodini and baby Ronnie, Christoph, Stubby. We're going to go in and have some brunch. Right, so some very different things on here. There's the Flaky Delight Burger, which is $15.95. Brunch Like Caesar, $14.95. Sourdough Avocado, $12.95. I'm actually going to go for the hangover pancakes, which are 3 fluffy pancakes, smooth scrambled egg, cheddar cheese, crispy bacon and maple syrup. It's $12.95. They've got bagels, they've got omelettes, they've got fluffy toast stacks of French toast. I did, coming in a close second was Nutella and Twix pancakes for $13.95. They've got breakfast bowls, and then on the drinks menu, which was even more of a challenge than the food menu, there's a million things to choose from, and I have actually gone for the Mighty Mango, which is mango, orange and apple juice, and they're €9.50. And what are you going for, Fodini?
I think I might go for the same as you. I'm just trying to decide.
Milk for you, young man? Milk for the baby. So have you got a hangover too? So that's 2 hangover pancakes. Right, so I got the drinks wrong. It's 95 cents per 25 grams. So the small one is $4.25, medium one is $5.95, and the large one is $6.95. Ooh, look at this cabinet. Oh, look at the size of them croissants. They're huge. They're $3.50 with Nutella, pistachio cream or biscotti spread, or just $2.80 with butter. Salads, there's pistachio balls, salted caramel balls, fruit, brownies, protein bars. Oh, there's lots going on here, guys. They are mallow, sour lemon and vanilla, flaked salt and Belgian dark chocolate. Ooh, they're $10.50 for the bag. Ooh, chocolate coated licorice, raspberry flavour and double chocolate flavour. I'm liking it here. I am liking it here very much. There's also a drink of the week, which is ginger berry green. So strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, orange, ginger, spinach, cow, turbinado, whatever that may be, and honey. Looks interesting. Oh my word. So we have got 4 rashers of bacon, a pancake, scrambled egg, cheese and a pancake, scrambled egg, cheese and a pancake, lots and lots of maple syrup. Right, let's tuck in and see what it's like, but it looks double delish. So now our drinks have turned up. We've got mango smoothie and apple, mango,
Paradise. Or paradise juice.
Oh, I've still got the book here. Wait a minute. Ooh,
You in a kerfuffle?
I'm in a kerfuffle. I'm dropping everything everywhere. Right, our mighty mango, orange and apple. And what are you thinking of your pancakes so far?
Very, very triple delicious.
They're good. They are absolutely amazing, guys. Scrambled eggs nice and fluffy. The pancakes are fluffy. The bacon's grand. Love it. So what did you think?
Triple delicious. Very nice.
Definitely be coming back here. And we are 5-minute walk from the seafront, so if you're melting on the beach you can come in here because the air conditioning is like minus freezing. It's so nice sitting in here. You can get here from Paralimni, Kataris, Larnaca area on the 7-11 bus, and that will bring you to the shopping mall, and then you can get the local bus down to Feniguis. All very, very convenient. So there's also an outdoor area here for eating your yummy, yummy food. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.